do you guys think about doing a quick little gun cleaning tutorial? Picked this little dude up today. Got it cheap. Go through it real quick. Show you guys just a real quick way how to clean guns, how I do it. So this Glock, unfortunately, one of the biggest flaws of the Glock is you have to pull the trigger to disassemble. So you got it there, point it in a safe direction, pull the trigger, retract the slide a little bit, horse the takedown levers down, and there it is. Okay. Recoil spring, barrel, it'll be a short barrel thing. Cleaning rod, I use a spear type jag into cleaning rod, patch onto spear type jag, solvent onto patch, patch through barrel. Okay, I like to let it soak. Set that aside. I take the same patch, wipe down the inside, trying to get all the gunk off, keep it looking good. Wipe down the outside. This one's had a little bit of wear on it. Get it looking shiny, nice. Clean gun shoots a little better, maybe. We'll wipe down the slide, wipe out the barrel, the inside the slide, get all this stuff we can out of it. Glock is very specific on oil, where to oil. Okay, 1 drop inside the slide. Spread it around with your finger. What you're wanting to do is you're wanting to provide a little protection from corrosion, a little lubricity. Oil each rail. I try to do it in 2 places. That's pretty much done. This looks pretty good. This gun is used, but it's probably not been fired much. I'm gonna put a little drop right there. Pretty much does that. Okay, I just went out. I just fired, I don't know, 15 rounds through this. My neighbors love me. Take your spear tip jag off. Put a brush. I've got the brass brush. Got nylon brushes too. Prefer the brass. Make a couple passes through there. Knock the crud loose. Go back. Spear tip jag again. Another patch. Spear tip jag. A little solvent on there. Wet her up pretty good. Shove her through. It's gonna start coming out pretty black looking. Okay, you're getting that stuff. You're getting the crud off of it. You're getting the nasty off of it. And this could apply to any firearm. Not just a handgun, shotgun, rifle, the same thing. All being the same basic principle, just some different tools you're going to use. Once again, I'll take and I'll brush, run that crud, the brush through there and try to knock the crud out. Like I said, this gun's not been fired much. This is one of those carry a lot, shoot a little type guns. But it does need some preventative maintenance. It does need a little cleaning every now and then. Okay, I've got my Glock I shoot competition with. I don't clean it until I notice a noticeable depreciation in either accuracy or function. Gets a little sluggish. I'll take a clean it, blow some of the crud off of it. My carry guns that may be used to defend myself or my family, I like them pretty clean, okay? A clean gun's a happy gun. Thinking gonna get the most of the crud out of it with this pass. Yeah, we're gonna call that good. I'm gonna wipe the exterior. Once again, following the Glock manual, Glock Armorer's manual, which I don't have in front of me, I'd let you see it. You want to oil the outside of the barrel. I put a little oil all over the hood of the barrel. 1 drop right down in here where it sits on the retainer. And that Glock is cleaned and lubed. So back together, barrel, recoil spring, guide rod. Looking at that, there's something not quite right with that, so I will go to Brownells somewhere and I will order a new recoil spring. Those are wear items anyway. They need to be replaced every so often. Take a function check, empty magazine, locks back on an empty magazine, safe direction, trigger pull, reset, trigger pull, reset. Okay, seems to be back 100%. So now, ready. Put it aside. We're done. It's clean. Safety first, safety second, safety third, safety fourth, safety, safety, safety. Don't forget the 4 rules of firearm handling. It's always loaded. Keep your finger off the trigger unless you're ready to shoot. Know your target and what's beyond it. Don't point your gun at anything you're not willing to destroy. So here's another little assignment for my 3rd hour class. Have fun, guys. Be safe.